Hello guys, electric bikes, also known as e-bikes, have become popular lately, especially in urban areas, because they allow for the ease of biking with convenience, in our case with a load capacity of up to 150 kilograms. With this e-bike you can even take friends by your side, with a range of up to 120 kilometers. With a modern and simplistic design, a strong and durable build, fashion customization and a foldable design and ease of use, the new Engwe EP Pro 2 is an electric bike you should consider if you are in the market for one. Let's take a look at the review. So when you first receive the Engwe EP-2 Pro, you must fully assemble it yourself. While it may look complicated at first, the setup was easy and should be easy for most people. There is a lot of protective foam surrounding each piece, so removing it will take longer than it takes to put all the bike parts together. All the tools you will need to assemble this bike are included in the box, along with instructions and manuals. The process will take about 45 minutes depending on your hand skills and experience. The company from China specialized in particular in e-bikes with extra wide tires. As also called the e-fit bike or e-fatty, the Engwe EP-2 Pro is not only an eye-catcher, the extra wide tires also promise a lot of grip in almost any weather and on any terrain. The choice of materials and the quality of workmanship of the Engwe EP-2 Pro are praiseworthy considering the price range. Rhetoric, dragging or squeaking was not noticeable after several test drives. The same applies for the folding mechanism, which holds securely even after being folded out and it several times. The look, especially when it comes to the distinctive Engwe sticker on the frame, is as always a matter of taste. It's available in 3 different colors. There should be the right color for everyone. When it comes to equipment, the Engwe EP-2 Pro doesn't have to hide. The e-bike has a powerful electric motor, a large and at the same time removable battery, and it also well positioned in the other respects. As important point worth mentioning is the lack of road approval in Europe. The reason for this are the overpowerful 750 watt motor and the unthrottled speed of more than 25 km per hour, and the throttle grip that turns the electric bike into a compact electric moped. The EP-2 Pro's 48 watt-hour battery, the new upgraded version, uses slightly more powerful 48 V30 amp-hour battery. Ideally, this is housed directly in the frame, where it is best protected from the external influences. Further advantages of the optimal weight distribution, because the battery is one of the heaviest parts of the e-bike, higher frame stability and a better look because hidden the large battery does not spoil the overall picture. The battery is secured with a lock which is located below the frame next to the folding mechanism. You can access the charging socket through the small hole on the frame. The charging time lasts approximately 6 hours. The range is always difficult to quantify as it depends very much on the driving style, the weight of the driver and the type of terrain. The range measures in the test was the average 60 km with the throttle grip. This is less applies to a body weight of approximately 70 kilos and predominantly flat terrain. In a pedal assist mode, a slightly higher range can be tackled out. Up to 19 km is a realistic value here, with which we are really satisfied. The 750 watt rear wheel drive makes the Engwe EP-2 Pro a real performance beast. Thanks to the high 80 Nm torque, the bike pulls off easily. Basically, the e-bike can be driven in the following 3 modes. Mode 1, pedal operation. To get the folding e-bike moving, you have to pedal. Mode 2, pedal assist mode. The motor only provides the powerful when you are light step on the pedals. The support level can be selected in 5 levels. Mode 3, throttle. In this mode you don't have to pedal, you can regulate the speed using the throttle grip on the handlebars. A highlight are the fat 20 by 4 inches tires that turn the Engwe EP-2 Pro into a e-fat bike. A major advantage over conventional e-bikes is the high off-road capability of fat bikes. The wide tires not only offer better grip, but this in turn ensures a particularly shock-absorbing effect. The Engwe EP-2 Pro has suspension fork but dispenses with the rear suspensions. Nevertheless, the driving behavior is smooth and nimble. Metal fenders are available on the front and rear wheels. The luggage rack doubles as a pillion seat, although you shouldn't lose sight of the maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms. All in all, you can take a friend with you on a short driving distances. Just pump up the tires adequately. Other features include mechanical disc brakes, a brake light that comes on when you brake, and a bright LED headlight. The bike computer is located in the middle of the handbelt, and its illuminated display remains legible even in the dark. The speed, the battery level, the pedal assist level, the total range and the trip with the current range and the average speed are displayed. To the left on the display there is a bicycle bell and a switch on or plus-minus button for operating the bicycle computer. On the right side of the handbelts we have the throttle and the pedal of the Shimano 7-speed SS gearshift. Now the question is how this Engwe EP-2 Pro actually drive. Strictly speaking, there is only pedal operation when the e-bike is switched off. When switched on, the electric bike is automatically in the pedal assist mode level 1, which switches on the motor with a delay of about 3 seconds after you step away. The sensitivity of the torque sensor can be adjusted in the advanced settings. The moped mode or throttle mode does not have to be activated separately either. As soon as there is no pedaling movement, you can accelerate using the throttle grip. The acceleration is only minimally delayed. If you hold the throttle for 8 seconds, the e-bike switch on the cruise control. The speed is now kept constant. Thanks to the wide 20 x 4 inch tires, the Engwe EP-2 Pro provides a harmonious and safe driving experience. People of up to 1.95 cm tall can ride this folding bike without any problems. It rides comfortably, smoothly on all surfaces. The bicycle saddle with the center cutout is comfortable and it also suitable for longer trips. The Engwe foldable e-bike is probably the most comfortable e-bike I have tested. The seat and the posture it provides make it easy to ride for a long time with no fatigue. The bike is well built and every function works well. The EP-2 is a solid e-bike built to withstand the off-roading that it encourages you to go. The shock absorber do the job well and the fat 20-inch tires enhance the ride within added stability. The front suspension absorb every bump so you can ride on rough roads and over railroad tracks without feeling discomfort. Plus, the price to power ratio is pretty unbeatable because it's rare to find an e-bike with such a remarkable top speed and range at the price of only 999 euros. The Engwe EP-2 Pro is an excellent value for a versatile e-bike suitable for most types of riding. Because it folds, the EP-2 Pro is much less hassle to transport or store than non-folding e-bikes. If you want a sturdy, easy to operate and a relatively comfortable e-bike, then you can ride on all surfaces that's also easy to transport. So if you're interested in purchasing the EP-2 Pro after this review, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the currently promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your new Engwe EP-2 Pro e-bike today. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.